Hey guys, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you how to install uBlock Origin, a free open source ad blocker extension and content blocker. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Now to install it on your Chrome, follow the steps. Open your Chrome browser. Click this extension icon. Then on the left side, click this Chrome Web Store. Then you will get to this page. In the search box, search for the uBlock Origin. Now tap on this first result. To install it on your Chrome, just click this Add to Chrome button. After the installation, click this extension icon again, then select the uBlock Origin. Now in here, adjust the filtering mode. I suggest to set it to complete, which is the rightmost settings for best results. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That will be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.